Today on Shur-Co University, we will demonstrate how to repair a rip in your tarp. Start out by grabbing the items you'll need: HH66 vinyl cement, HH66 thinner, vinyl coated tarp remnant, wooden roller, scissors, and a rag. Note, room temperature must be 65 degrees or above to repair tarps. Tip: if you are repairing a rip in your tarp on a trailer, take a wooden board and place it under the rip for extra support during the process. Step 1. Clean the tarp with the HH66 thinner and rag. Note, to assure good adhesion, clean area 1 inch larger than the patch. Step 2. Cut patch to fit over tear in tarp, allowing patch to extend 1 inch outside of the tear on all sides. And tip: round edges for a cleaner look. Step 3. Draw a round patch to mark area where glue will be applied. Step 4. Apply glue to the marked area on tarp and to the patch. Let dry for a minimum of 3 to 4 minutes until glue is tacky. Step 5. Press patch on the tarp with wooden roller. Allow glue to set for 1 to 24 hours. Note, HH66 vinyl cement strengthens with age. Estimated repair time: 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, check us out at www.youtube.com/genuine Shur-Co. And when you need to be sure, make it Shur-Co.